Hmm. Oh God. What is it? This is running slow, man. Launch the courier up. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see if this actually is going to work. I did massive refactoring. Let's see if it's going to work. Hit order. I wish there was an animation. All right. Let's do this again. Courier dispatch, rebuild the whole thing. Let's relaunch this beach delivery customer. Courier dispatch is rebuilding. Meanwhile, I can run cleanup on the tables. Cleanup's completed. Try it again. Courier dispatch has been rebuilt. Order breakfast with an Oreo shake. Checkout. All right. Order. Okay. Conflict. Okay. Status code is false. Okay. This was customer app. We launched customer app. Courier app is sitting idle. Do this again. Restaurants, Denny's, Oreo shake, review, checkout. Next. Order. For delivery requests, I need to look at the post delivery requests. So where's delivery request at? Right here. Post delivery request is this right here. Okay. Oh, hold up. Why isn't this in here? Okay. Inside that block right there. Run the service. Is my event store running? I don't even see an event store in here. Hold up. There's no event store. I don't see it. That's probably why it was failing. Oh, that's the event store right here. It was running. Okay. Close you out all the way over here. Okay. Remember, I'm calling delivery request service. It's running now. Hit run. Okay. Figure out what the issue is. Order. Okay. Status code is true. Okay. It returned okay. If we go back, well, we returned dispatch courier. If we look at dispatch courier, courier dispatch, is that running? Courier dispatch is not running. That's why everything was blowing up. Restart. That's why everything was blowing up. Restart customer app. should probably have a heartbeat for the customer app. It's probably a good idea. The customer app during its bootstrap process is just going to go ahead and do a heartbeat on each of the services at the very beginning, and then just raise a flag. That's what I need to do. So customer app should run service diagnostics during bootstrap process. Okay. Go again. Denny's, All American, Shakes, review, checkout. I thought I hit checkout. Is it because I had too many orders? Where's my test at? Clean. Run clean again. Run clean again. I guess I should check orders too. Request ID ends in this right here. Go to my thingamajig right here. Right. Refresh. Refresh. Am I looking at the right thing? 8A, B, D, ends in 4B. Why is this not? That should clean up. It should erase everything. All right. I don't have time for this. Okay. Launch customer again. I could have sworn I hit checkout. Okay. Why isn't checkout working? Handle checkout. Okay. Checkout requested. That trigger. Okay. One or more errors occurred. Socket closed. What socket? Request quote is delivery request. Oh, you know what? Why does it have? Delivery request is now running again. Dude, I just want to get through this. Review. Check out. Okay. Next. All right. Let's see what happens. Hit order. Run. Dude, why can't I fucking win, dude? Put token failed. Could not be found. Couriers found 8434. It says that could not be found. It says could not be found. Okay. This was courier dispatch. So we got to make sure that this gets created. No, the question is why wouldn't it get created? If we look at delivery requests, I don't see anything in here about topics. So when do topics get created? Post delivery request. If we look at post delivery requests, we posted to the event store that a delivery was requested. And if that succeeds, we call the order tracker.create. And then we call dispatch courier. That create, I think just it doesn't spin up any service bus topics. Nope. So then we got this order dispatch. We post delivery requested. That's the first thing we do. Uh-oh, what just happened? That's the first thing we do. So courier dispatch, delivery requested function. What I'm trying to figure out is where do we spin up service bus topics? I don't know why I do this. Request courier. Where do we spin up these topics? Doesn't look like it. Is this create right here being used anywhere? Ensure it exists. Creates that. Where do the topics get created at? Here's a create topic async. Subscription creation. Okay, so we do it in the customer. Okay. And that's in the await delivery. But it looks like it's under the handler. It is. That's not good. I found it. So it's this line right here that creates the service bus topics, which I'm almost positive it's going to include. I forgot what the original error was. I don't see it. I thought it was. It looks like it's missing. I thought it was like, was it courier requested? I forget what I was even looking at, dude. I forgot what the original. I guess I'll just rerun the whole thing. Clean. Okay. Delivery requests, do that. Dispatch requests or courier dispatch, do that. And then customer, do that. Check out. Next. Order. Let's figure out which one it was. Okay. The error says couriers found. And so it never found that. And we never topic.couriers found. Yeah, it shows it's this right here, but it never got executed. My friend. Okay. Now request delivery. Probably should go right here. Yeah. Shopping cart.fs. If you post delivery, oh shoot. Here's the other question. Should the delivery request spin it up? Post delivery requests. Post to the event store. And then if that's successful, I would argue put it right here. Like requests. I'll put it right there. And so in the data gateway, service bus connection. I don't see anything about topics. There's a publish right here. No, that doesn't do anything. Yeah, I would put it right here. Now we have order requests. I'll have topics.fs, and I would just throw it in here. Or throw it in there somewhere. Service bus connection is the namespace. Let's say module topics equal. Then I would have a let create. It's a request ID equal. And then I would do that right there. And honestly, we could yeah, make this async. Okay. And then if we go back to our customer, there should be like a request topics function right here. Probably needs this right here. Comment that stuff out. We shouldn't need it in the customer app anymore. And up here, do that. We could probably make this private. Azure topic. Azure topics create. So create a file called Azure topic ops. Azure topic ops. Okay. Order request data gateway. Is this just me or okay? This one is ready. So then you would say open. I don't know, we'll go here. No, it says create topic ID. I don't know if let's get topic ID from. This right here. Okay. And then we have debug. Say open system dot diagnostics dot. It should just be diagnostics. Okay. That's why. I could say subscription. String. And that's for customer app. Okay. Same thing here. This is subscription. It says right there. Okay. Like this would be this right here. And it would take request.subscription creation. Where's that at? It's request.create topic async. And now it requires it requires a subscription. Should be this right here. If we didn't have this in here, it would compile, or would it? Topic prefix. Create topic async. And I have hard coded for app. Type mismatching, expecting string GUID string async but given string GUID. It says expecting a string GUID string but given a string. I don't know if it doesn't know what a connection string is. Let private connection string equal service bus connection dot instance dot connection string. Okay. It should just take, if I didn't have this in here, it wouldn't be an issue. Oh, I know why. All right, put it back. I know why. Prefix. Say subscription is a type string. Okay, so subscription request ID connection string. And then topics function needs to take a string, which was the prefix, a GUID, which is the request ID, but now we're saying no, take two strings. All right, got it. So it should be something like this. String. Then we would connection string is the very last one, right? Should look like that. So now we would have that. So boom. So theoretically, we should be able to take the last two arguments, and theoretically do something like this. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like we're still good. I should go back. Oh yeah, because I need. Okay. I mean, theoretically, I could just do this. Hold up. Should be able to do this and do another pipe, in which we take I think that's the way it can work. Subscription, request ID, connection string. Okay. Is this right? String. I don't know if this is even right or not. It would basically be the same thing as this right here. I think that's right. Okay. We create topics. I don't know. Am I supposed to return something? Oh, hold up. It's going to return a. No, just do this. Create, return. Okay. I'll stop debugging. which means that this can be private. So then we have topics.create. Is this going to build? Yeah, it does build. Okay. So then we go to our, I don't know where we go. We're in the service post. Should be able to say topics dot create, and then what? Request ID and subscription. Well, we can say, we can probably say something like, we're in C#. Bar topics result equal, and then you say topics.create, and that probably is going to want, oh yeah, we got to start this as a task. Async.start as task. We got to pipe that into it. Okay. So then this topics.create is going to take a GUID, which is our request ID. It's going to take a subscription. Subscription was supposed to be whatever for customer is. And the customer app, the value is subscription.customer app. Okay. We're going to have to change that. Payment intent details. Let me see what this. Quote request. I'm going to hard code this right now. Our subscription equals that. Okay. Isolate this. Okay. Control Shift B. beach delivery.courier. I'll call it beach delivery.customer. Beach delivery customer. That's the name of the app. Okay. Which means that we should be able to go over here. Do that. Okay. Now what? That should be it. What I should really do is I should just address this hard-coded string right now. This is letting it get worse. So we're taking this quote but it's ooh, got it. I got it. Okay. So we're going to introduce this new structure called a subscription that is going to take a delivery request. It also is going to have a subscription. And that's how we do it. Just like that. I'll periodically check my messages. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry, man. I was in the zone. Imaginary. Do you have anyone to code a review to help you out? I'm sorry, Imaginary. I was in the zone. I feel really bad. I assume you left already. Oh, shoot. You're still there. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. You know, I'm not sure how shy you are, but I mean, if you want to jump in the stream, you don't even have to show your face. But if you want to jump in the stream, then you can code review my stuff or pair program with me and tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm not going to admit my ego probably at times will kind of like have a rebuttal, but yeah, if you're interested, I'll send you a link if you give me you have a kind of DM you on Twitter, and I can send you a link if you're interested in either I don't know doing a conference with me. Again, you don't have to show your face, but subscription. All right, so take this, go back to my delivery request service, add this structure over here. Does it know what a delivery? No. All right, give me 1 second. Throw it at the bottom. Hold up. Oh, right here. Does it know what it? No. So what's a delivery request? A delivery request is a quote and a payment intent ID. figure out where we have this. It's called payment intent details. I actually like that name better. So we have payment intent details. Check that. It said you are, but you can't right now. All right, that's fine. I've been refactoring the mess out of my customer app. Oh, both apps, both client apps. I've binge refactored. I must have put in at least 12 hours yesterday. Um, yeah. So we have this subscription. And we go back to our post delivery function, and we're going to use that. And then we can say that our order equals subscription. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. Yeah. Subscription dot that. Okay. Okay. Family in room, and I get excited and loud talking, coding. I understand. I do the same thing. Okay. So now what? We now have a subscription, and so there we can say subscription name, and we can do a. Actually, I could just stuff that. I could just say subscription dot subscription. Okay, I got to change that property to subscription A. Okay. Go here. Uh-oh. This is called subscription A. Subscription A. Go back to our client. Subscription A. Subscription A. Okay. Okay. So now what? Request. Boom, boom. We have a quote. So, and then we could say let subscription equal, and then you could say that our delivery request equal request, and that our subscription should be subscription name equal, and it should say for dot. Thank you. Okay. And then we post that, my friend, to our delivery request function. I think that's a little bit better. Then you say, why is this part in C? Because this is Xamarin. And, well, hold up. You're talking about the Azure function? The Azure function is in C sharp because at the time, and I'm not sure if it's changed, but at the time, uh, there wasn't a mature enough template for F sharp to support Azure functions. I don't know how I want to do this. I don't like it. I'll leave it like that. Whichever. And most of the time, when something needs C sharp, you can reference a class library and do most of the work there in an F sharp class library. Well, a lot of the patterns that I'll run into is based on the specific types of libraries. And when I say type of libraries, like .NET Standard 2.0 or .NET Core, I find that usually it's easier to to implement the client interfaces or the client libraries in C sharp, and then the server libraries, or just the rest of the infrastructure, the rest of the services can be in F sharp. Just because I just don't feel like going above and beyond trying to make something F sharp that isn't a first class citizen within the IDE, or in this case, Visual Studio. So that should work now. That should work now. Um, where am I at? Subscription order topics.create, and then this should be subscription name. I should just call this name instead of subscription name, right? Go back. Go back to data transfer. Rename this to name. Okay. And go back. That was automated there. Go back here. Subscription name can be renamed to just name. And then we can say that, yeah, like that. That's cool. The front project GUI absolutely makes sense for C sharp. Any logic, non-direct XAML stuff, I've found it much easier to keep in F sharp land. I work on a WPF app for 4 years. What about Azure Functions? Have you worked with that? Because I mean, it may have changed now, but at the time, a I just didn't find good support for F sharp with Azure Functions, at least at the interface level, the client interface level. When I mean client interface, like this. So there should be a, where am I at? I'm losing my spot. I thought there was a topics.create that I just added. Oh yeah, this right here. Oh yeah. All right. So then I say if topics.result. No. Start over. Topics results dot. Oh, I gotta await this. Is okay. Then something like that, right? And then you say else log an error and say topics result error value. Okay. Anything else? We could say conflict objects, maybe. And we could just say var error equals that, and then we just throw errors in here. Okay. So then you say, nah, I don't know there, and it's subjective. Where are you at? Are you in the United States? Are you outside the United States? So this should work now. It should work now. Run this. Run this. USA. Cool. I'm on the East Coast. All right. Do I have all my services running? Ooh. This is Courier Dispatch. I'm glad I checked. All right. Restaurants. Denny's. All American. Oreo Shake. Review. All right. Checkout. Okay. Payment method. Okay. Order. Let's figure out what happens. Connection string. Why is the connection string? It's not a connection string. ETA. Why does the connection string say? Oh, Okay. And this is delivery. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So why are we getting that? Storage connection. Ooh, I know why. I know why. All right. Let's relaunch the customer app. I think you missed a message. I'm East Coast also. Are you in Boston? I'm sure I probably asked you before, but I have a very shoddy memory. All right, what's my train of thought? First of all, we probably can get away with that. Hmm. Oh yeah. We got to add a service bus, so we can have service bus. I don't know what you want to call it. Connection string. I don't even have to do that. Hold up. It should just be there should be a service bus connection dot instance dot value or connection string equals. Okay. Initialize. Okay. So we can say something like var sb string equal, then pull this up here. Okay, I'll say service bus string. And then I can immediately say initialize and then say service bus string like that. And you should be okay. That should resolve that. Nope, south end. Not sure if you saw throwing errors is go to on crack. Returning errors is good. Hey, Akil. Where do you see me throwing errors at? Um, imaginary development. You talking about in my client, my beach delivery client? Hit restaurants. I'm going to get this thing to work. All American Oreo shake. Let me verify that my delivery request is not running. Run that, okay, and then say review. Say checkout. It's going to make sure my payment method is in order, and then say order. Okay. Let's see. Now what? Look, we don't need the connection string here. We don't need a connection string here. We can just say service bus connection dot instance dot connection string. Same thing here. Or we can just say up here, we can say let private connection string equal, and then do that. And then we could just throw that right there and right here. Right? And you are defined. Okay. And wherever else may be at. The other one is this right here. Oh, let's get it. You didn't. You were saying you were, but weren't. You said, I'm just going to throw that error, but you were typing a return. Oh, okay. I will download Visual Studio, use that IDE instead of code blocks. Are you using Visual Studio for your C programming? Hold on, why does this fail? Meantime, customer app, we need you to replay. And whatever tests that I have, we need you to clean up. And my stream, hold up, where are you at? Where are you at, stream? Hold up, this is a SQL Server. What happens to my other, where's my storage tables? Right over here. Okay. Let's see if you run again. How many orders do I have? What a okay. Run delivery requests again. Take 30. Oh shoot, hold up. What is this complaining about? Oh yeah, we don't need you. We don't need you. We don't need you. What? We don't need you. Oh, I just want this thing to go from start to finish. And then I don't have to write any more code for today. Restaurants. F that. Domino's. Chicken wings. Check out. Are you gonna work for me? Huh? Are you gonna work? Next. Okay. Hit the order button. Are you gonna work for me? Huh? Courier. Are you gonna receive a notification? Dude, what does it do? Why is it doing that? Oh, I know why. Never updated it. This is supposed to be the service bus. All right, so let me figure out without me going to my local settings. Let me figure out if I could find the. Yeah, this is right here. Okay, start over and start over. You run my cleanup. Hopefully, it actually works this time. No, shoot, I screwed up. I screwed up. I wish I could undo my last action. Is it? Uh, I can't undo it, can I? Shoot. It's not going to find it. Go back. Uh, 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 review. Check out. Next. Order. So it was successful. Finding a courier. Good stuff. Let's see what you're going to do. It says, oh shoot, I didn't subscribe. I cleared everything in the database. So it's not going to get a notification. Oh, maybe it will. No. Is there? Why am I doing this? If query result is okay and result value is not null, that's a one-off. Relaunch courier service. Relaunch this courier app. Relaunch customer app. Clean database. Okay, so subscribe. Okay, so he's subscribed now. Should get a confirmation is subscribed, but okay. That took a long time. Okay, check out. Next. Order. All right. I think this is it. I think this is it. I think it's going to work. My spider senses are tingling, right? Of course, then I have to optimize the performance. But I think this is going to work. Finding a courier. Come on, I think you're going to work. Huh? You going to work for me? Hmm? Are you going to work for me? You know you want to work, right? Is there a notification at all? It's going to either say no couriers found, or I'll get a notification. But it looks like neither. It's not happening. It's not happening. I don't think I have it in me to troubleshoot this right now. So there's a courier dispatch somewhere. This right here. And that has a dispatch. And it would have a there should be a pool, solicited, not solicited. That. That. Put the breakpoints on those two items. I'm disappointed. Man. Okay, let me catch up on my feedback. None. Okay. Relaunch customer app. In fact, let me close out everything. Let me do that. Relaunch courier app. Okay. Restaurants. I haven't clicked on burgers and shakes in a long time. Unsubscribe. Subscribe. I guess we don't really care about the timestamp. Okay. Order. I'll put breakpoints on my courier dispatch. So it should hit one of those. It has a pool. Okay. Now what? Return subscribe courier. Subscribe couriers. I don't know what this is doing. Solicited. Okay. You found a courier. Request ID, topic name, couriers found. Okay, so it found it. So because it found it, I'm not getting that notification. Let me step in here. Courier requested. It's sending that out. Yeah, it's going out. So I'm gonna get rid of all this. It says it was okay. And then of course it's timed out over here. All right. The next thing is to look at my courier app and figure out why it's not receiving notifications. So specifically, there's an Azure topic listener. this even being used? I don't even think this is being used. Okay, I guess it is being used. I'm gonna put a breakpoint on the constructor. All right, let's see. Subscribe to. Here's the listener. Oh. Hold on for a second. I guess I should start with that carrier or that carrier. Get rid of that. Well, no, hold up. Navigate to carrier. Navigate to carrier. Okay. Get rid of that. Configure arrival service. Configure arrival service. Okay. Get rid of this. Here's some. Okay, I got some code that's MIA. Okay, so this right here. Yeah, this is why. Okay, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. It's on accepted, on decline. Oh, this is on accepted right here. Oh shoot. Just like, if you want me, you're gonna have to come and get me. Should have been a beat all cuz, and it's like that. It's shutting up the whole sound. Don't understand me. Put my name in, bam, bam. I'm just like the gypsy. If you want me, you're gonna have to come and get me. This fulfillment director. It's just a normal object. It's gonna terrorize the whole town. People think they know me, but they don't understand me. Notifications, display request. I guess I could add a directory in here. Terrorizing the whole town. It's not gonna. Fulfillment director is in delivery.ui. Notifications, I feel like we'll have a circular reference to it. Yeah. Okay. It's time for me to take a break. I'm almost there, but I'm taking a break. My brain needs to rest. I'm out. See ya. Adios. Take care. I'm ending it.